Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And here's the brand new Montgomery Ward's 3-in-1 microwave, convection oven, and air fryer oven. There's the air fryer components. It looks like a flying saucer base with the tripod stand. There's the timing pad. There's the glass plate. And I did a video a minute ago, which I'll post later because I am soaked with sweat. And I put the Magic Chef on top of this. By comparison, you could see the scorch marks coming out of the back. Then when I threw the shopping cart, it scared the hell out of the little girl. She ran down the stairs. She's now in her beloved doorway. She loves to sit in the doorway. This is my new microwave air fryer convection oven. You can put a metal plate in there and cook with metal. And you can't do that with a microwave. So, there it is in all its glory. It was very heavy, and the other one was very heavy, but this is heavier. So it fits. I had to move the milk crate forward, and my cookie jar will go up there, and then I'll take the giant bowl, salad bowls, and put them somewhere else. Cookie jar has to soak because it's all dusty, but I'll be very happy when I have some food to cook in this. Here is my microwave popper. I got to find the lid for it, and I can have popcorn tonight if I can find the lid. It's around here, and I got to clean this up. So that's my carafe. For in the summertime, I make lemon lift tea with ice. But a lot of work still doing here. This stupid thing keeps falling over all the time. This corn oil. But and someone left a Safeway basket in the dumpster, so I pulled it out. I'm gonna soak it in the bathtub and return it to Safeway. In Nob Hill, someone left that. I'm gonna return that. I'm gonna get the kitchen clean by July 7th. This place will be clean, or at least 100% cleaner than it is now. All right, this is George Sender, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay cool, stay hydrated, enjoy adult beverage, enjoy a snack or dinner, enjoy yourself, and watch the microwave door. Bye bye for now.